What's up, y'all? We down here. Got my man here. Key, what you want to talk to me about now, man?
We're gonna talk about doing the dips.
Why we gotta do dips, man?
It works all. Your upper chest is activated, your back, the triceps. As you're going down, your core activated. Everything. It gets you pumped. You know, it increase the benching on the. And when you're in the gym, you benching, you repping out. All of that is pretty much the same. But this right here, you can rep out more. Keep going. You go in the gym, you can rep out. But if you repping out that, and they trying to come here, you ain't gonna rep out as much. You ain't gonna get that great feel. Feel me? Look, check it out. Check it out. You're going right here, right? Automatically get your core ready. Get everything active. Feel me? Look, we up with it. You going down. It's active. Everything is active. See it? Check it out. Triceps, the back. You go up. Good. That was one. Everything is active.
Get him, Keith. Get them veins, y'all.
Two.
See them
Everything.
veins?
The chest to the back. The triceps.
5'7", 160, 28 years old. Send this video to Adidas and send it to Nike at the same time.
Everything is active.
And that's for your chest,
That's
Keith?
for your chest too. It's active. Your core is active. You suck that motherfucker in.
Oh, man. And
Everything.
If you can you do weighted? You could do weighted dips if you wanted to?
Yeah. You could add a little weight on it. You could bring whatever plate you got, whatever. You know. Even when I'm in a park, I'll take a brick and I have somebody put it on my leg like this.
Put the brick back here.
Yeah.
And get your weighted
And
joints
I go
in.
all the way down.
Go. Get up there one time, Keith. Check this arm out, y'all. Go ahead. Look at this arm, y'all. Look at that right there. All right. Hey, Keith, we appreciate you, man.
Thank you, man.
They can follow you on Instagram?
Yeah, you follow me on Instagram, KISHAUN _ YouTube, KIMORGAN. I'm about to get up there and start uploading, for real.
Nike, Adidas, come on, man. Stop playing.
Shout out to Sean.
Peace.